Got a video loading right now about how Alec Baldwin's October 21st. It's exactly 500 days to March 5th. One thing I've left off, and I showed you a lot of stuff about Miami that connects when I visited, how my number came to when I stayed at that hotel there each time I went to Miami. Remember, I showed y'all back then, and I showed you again. Me times the complete address of that hotel, the National Hotel, came to 148 or 138, 148 with the first 6 digits. But the big one is, don't forget the Miami Hurricanes. There's 3 things that whole Hurricanes, Miami Hurricanes stand for. And the Dolphins had the perfect season. 305 area code. Miami. It's the U, but it's that 305. Miami Hurricanes, the U 305. It's that big, that's their big logo, 305U. But what's their slogan? Or their mascot? Miami Hurricanes mascot, the Storm.
Sebastian the ibis, according to some information I found on Wikipedia.
You he's a storm bird. What is the Miami Hurricane? Their team's called Hurricanes. So it's Sebastian the ibis. IBIS. Ibis Stormbird. Images for Ibis Stormbird. Sea Wonder. White ibis. The ibis uses its instinct to detect danger. It is the last sign of wildlife to take shelter before a hurricane hits, giving warning that danger is imminent. Just saying. I'm just saying. It's ridiculously freaky. Love y'all.